Welcome back to class, and today we're talking about competitive inhibition. Now, when we talk about competitive inhibition, here's what you have to take note of. Now, competitive inhibition is a type of inhibition wherein the inhibitor, binds reversibly to the active site of the enzyme. In summary, or in other words, the inhibitor competes with the substrate for the active site of the enzyme. And now with this, don't forget the an enzyme has multiple active sites. So most often it will either bind to some active sites and let the substrate bind to other active sites. Now, so with these, two products will be formed, or is going to lead to the formation of two different structures. Now, the first structure will be the enzyme substrate complex. Now, peradventure the inhibitor doesn't bind to every active site of the enzyme. Those which are free are going to receive the substrate, and the enzyme substrate complex will be formed, which is going to lead to the enzyme product complex, and the product will be dissociated from the active site of the enzyme. On the other hand, the active sites which have been colonized by the inhibitor will lead to the formation of the enzyme inhibitor complex, and with the formation of the enzyme inhibitor complex, no product will be formed, thereby decreasing enzyme activity, decreasing the concentration of products that will be formed, and the overall effect will be seen on the individual. So that is what we have to take note of when we talk about competitive inhibition. Don't forget to follow for more.